I'm Melissa.
And I'm Katie.
And today we're going to be doing DIY 3 Instagram famous slimes. We're going to be showing you how to make some fluffy slime, some glitter slime, and then some thick and glossy slime.
Be sure to subscribe down below and we'll link our social medias down there so you can be sure to follow us.
Be sure to become best friends with that like button, and be sure to comment down below notification squad whenever you hit that bell.
And without further ado, let's get on to the video.
Let's go.
Okay guys, so the first slime we're going to be showing you guys how to make is a banana cream fluffy slime. So first you're going to need some Elmer's school glue.
Next, you're going to need some shaving cream. You're just using Gillette shaving cream, but any other drugstore brand would work just as well.
Then we're going to use some Suave lotion. Any other lotion works as well.
Now we're just going to use some yellow paint, but the paint is optional.
Then we're going to use some P&J banana scent, but the scent is optional.
You will also need a bowl and a spoon.
You're also going to need some activator.
Then you're just going to want to put in about a cup of glue.
And also we're going to add in about a cup of shaving cream.
Then just combine it all together.
Then you're just going to add in a couple pumps of lotion.
Then you're just going to add in your paint right about now.
Then we're going to add in some P&J banana scent.
Then combined until well mixed. So here's the finished product. It's really fluffy, floofy. It's got great poking noises, and it's actually surprisingly super stretchy. We definitely recommend you make this. Yeah, here's some ASMR. Now we're going to show you how to make some glitter slime. This slime is super pretty, borax free, and extremely stretchy.
For this slime, you will be needing Elmer's clear glue.
Then you will need an assortment of glitters. We just have around 6, 7, I don't really remember, but yeah. But also if you only have 1 or 2, that'd be okay as well. The point is that it's just a glitter slime, not really specific.
Now you're going to need some Tide, and this was what makes the slime borax free, and we find that you can never really overactivate with Tide as you can with borax.
Then you're going to need a bowl and a spoon.
Then you're going to add in about 2 cups of clear glue.
And now is when we added in all of our glitters, and the end product is actually really pretty.
Now we're just going to mix it all up and enjoy the glitter mixing.
Now you're going to add in the Tide, and this is what activates the slime.
Now you're going to add in more Tide until it reaches the consistency you want.
So this slime turned out super stretchy, super crunchy, and I really enjoy it. It's super pretty as well. As you can see, just wait for it to clear up, maybe about 2 to 3 days, and it will be even prettier. You can also scent this and add food coloring if you want, but we just didn't really want to. Now I'll shut up and you can enjoy some ASMR. Now we're going to show you how to make some thick and glossy cereal milk slime.
So then you're going to need some white school glue.
And some clear glue.
And you're going to need some conditioner, but this is optional.
Then you're going to need some activator.
Then you're just going to need a bowl and spoon.
Then you're going to want to put in around a cup of white glue.
Add about 1/2 cup of clear glue.
Now is when you would add your conditioner.
Now mix.
Then activate.
Our final product, as you can see, it is a really thick, stretchy, and glossy slime. It reminds me a lot of Parakeet Slime cereal milk, so I'm going to shut up so you can enjoy some ASMR.
That was it. I really hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, this is our first video, so no hate. We're just starting out on the YouTube. And if you like this video, be sure to click the like button down below and subscribe to our channel for more weekly content.
We will post twice a week just in case you were
So sorry for the long intro. We just had a lot to say. So peace out, Slime Squad.